Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to prove that fx equal to e power x plus e power minus x is an even function. So for even function, we need to calculate fx minus f minus x equal to 0. So fx value that given e power x, e power minus x. Now going to calculate minus x, e power minus x, and here e power already is minus, so one more minus it come. So after calculating minus into minus, e power plus x, or we can write e power x plus e power minus x. So this is the value of f minus x. And for even function, fx minus f minus x equal to 0. So going to take LHS fx f minus x. So fx value is now this one, e power x minus plus e power minus x, minus f minus x value is now this one, e power x plus e power minus x. Now here e power x, e power minus x, so this is the plus minus minus e power x plus minus minus e power minus x. So this cancel, the value comes 0. So here LHS equal to RHS equal to 0. It's proved. So this is the way we can solve even and odd function. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.